welcome back. You know who it is. It's Chef Blake is in the kitchen, and this is part 2 of making that recipe that we made the last time. You know what it is? Our delicious salad. Everybody liked the salad I made the last time, guys. My Italian salad. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And today we are making another delicious salad. This one is called avocado, roasted corn, and cucumber. You're gonna like this one, guys. Let's go over here and check out the recipe. Okay, guys, so we have a lineup for you. Here we have some chopped red onion or purple onion, whatever you call it. Here we have some cilantro, and we have a lime. We're gonna use the lime, and we're gonna use the extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna use some black pepper, just a pinch of black pepper. We're gonna mix the sauce in here, the dressing, if you will, to go along with our salad. And here we are with some chopped sliced cucumber right here, and we have our chopped diced sweet bell pepper. This is a sweet pepper that is not hot. And we have our cherry tomato. We already cut them for you guys. We slice them down the middle so they are halves. And we have our avocado over here because we put an avocado in it too. Everybody love avocado. We have 2 avocado right here. And over here we have
our lettuce.
Our lettuce. You know we can't make a salad without the lettuce. So here we are. And we have some other stuff we want to show you as well. Here, guys, we are making the corn. Yes, guys, we're gonna put some grilled corn in our salad. It's on the card, so we're gonna cut it off the card, and we're gonna put some corn. We have the avocado, we have the cucumber, and the lettuce is gonna be delicious. It's gonna be one of them happy salad. Okay, guys, so you want to get your corn and cut them off the cod. And remember, these are some grilled corn. They have a nice taste to them, nice flavor, guys. And we just cut it right down off the cod, just like that. It's gonna be very delicious in our salad. Okay, guys, we have an avocado. It's a nice ripe avocado. You don't want your avocado to be too ripe, because when they're too ripe, they get too soft. So you just want to make sure it's just ripe without being too mushy or too soft. Look at that texture, guys. That's a nice avocado right here. You like avocado?
No.
You don't like avocado?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I don't like the taste. I don't like guacamole.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you would like avocado right here. Look at this nice avocado. You see you don't like avocado. A lot of people like avocado and they're solid.
Yeah, I can see people eat it with bola, but I don't like it with my bola.
Okay, let's get one of them thing over here. Yeah, Jamaica, we love avocado. In Jamaica, we eat avocado with bulla, dumpling. We cook them good Jamaican dumpling, and we eat it with our avocado. You can just eat avocado with so much different things. So you just cut them up, guys, small as you want. You can cut them up smaller than this. I may go through and cut them up again smaller for the purpose of our delicious corn, avocado, cucumber. A lot of good stuff gonna be in the salad. You're gonna really love this salad. Okay, guys, what we did here, we got some gloves of garlics, just like this over here. I'm gonna show you guys one of these, and all you have to do, see right here, this is the garlics. All you have to do is, guys, just cut the top off. Just cut the top off and spray some olive oil in there. You can spray the olive oil in there and put it on the grill and grill it with the corn. You want to do this together, and when it comes out looking like this. That's it right here. So what you want to do, you want to pound it and ground and mash this as soft as you can. You're going to add this to your sauce for the salad. We're going to use some extra virgin oil, some lime, and a little pinch of salt and black pepper, along with this delicious roasted garlic to put in our salad. They're going to give it a nice flavor. Guys, we already crushed the garlic, the roasted garlic. We're going to go ahead and put a pinch of black pepper in here. And here we have some extra olive oil. We need extra virgin oil.
Extra virgin oil.
Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and put at least 2 tablespoons in here. And this is going to give us our dressing. Okay, guys, we have a lime or lemon, whatever you call it. We're just gonna squeeze the juice out in here. This lime doesn't have a lot of juice. Try to squeeze as much as we can. Need at least about, what, 2 tablespoons of lime juice? So I might have to squeeze about 2 limes in here. Okay guys, here we are with our salad dressing. We have roasted garlics. As you saw earlier, we beat the roasted garlics and it's liquefied. We also added 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And also we add a little pinch of black pepper. And we added 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Lemon juice, lime juice, whatever you call it. And this is what it looked like, looking very delicious. And now we want to go ahead and, you can add sea salt if you want, but we just have the regular table salt. So we're going to go ahead and add at least, how much again?
Half a teaspoon.
So about this much?
Yeah. You can fill it.
We don't want too much salt. We don't want this thing to be too salty. So I guess we're going to use about this much. Okay, that's our table salt, guys. Let's go ahead and mix this in. This is going to be very nice salad dressing right here. And as you see, what guys, we are making our own salad dressing. We're not using any Thousand Island. We're not using any ranch. We're not using any Italian dressing from the store. We are making our own homemade salad dressing. You guys can try this recipe. Comment under the video, guys. Let me know what y'all think. It's gonna be very nice.
Hey guys, let's start off our salad now. So, what do I want to start with first? What do you suggest? Maybe the cucumbers?
There's a lot of different varieties.
Assortment
yes.
things here. So let's add in our cucumbers first. Just add them in just like that. Ooh. Should we use all of it?
Okay guys, we have
use all of it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's add in our slice the cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomato.
And here we go. Let's just make sure they cover.
Oh, the colors look nice.
Yeah, they do. I'm sorry. So, I think I want to add my corn in next. So let's add in our corn here. Doesn't that look nice?
Yes, the grilled corn look really delicious.
And our avocado pear. Call it pear in Jamaica.
Yes, guys, we call it avocado pear in Jamaica. So if you're ever in Jamaica and somebody say, hey, can I have a pear? You know they are referring to your avocado. If they ever ask for a pear, they are referring to avocados.
Last one out there was kind of sticking a little. So here we got some red onions. I call them purple onions because it's a spoonful. Yeah, that's right. We don't want to overdo our onions. They have like a little tangy taste. We just want a little tang, not too much.
Yeah, the onion give it a good
taste. Not too overpowering, but you know, just a little. I think that's good. And here, what do we have here?
Cilantro.
Here we have some cilantro.
Chops.
Should we add it all in?
Yes.
Okay. Let's just add our
Give it a nice flavor.
complete cilantro. There we go. It's looking real colorful. What do you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Here, last but not least, we have our
Chopped sweet pepper.
okay. So we're
It's
gonna,
chopped yellow bell pepper. It is sweet. It's not hot. It give you a nice taste. Oh, look at all them colors,
I
guys.
just want y'all to
The salad
behold.
look beautiful.
Wow,
Look at that, guys. Very nice.
amazing.
You have
Our
your
garlic.
roasted garlics. We have 2 tablespoons of extra olive oil, virgin olive oil, and we also have a pinch of black pepper in there, and we have 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon lime.
We're just gonna add this in now. So,
And a little pinch of salt as well.
get that all in there.
And you want to go ahead and just toss that. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in and do a nice toss. Get everything all mixed it together. guys, this thing looking good. What do you think about this big bowl of nice mixed avocado?
No, I don't really like avocados, but I can't wait to try this because I think that that seasoning. What do we use? The marinade.
The roasted garlics.
I think it's really gonna shine through.
Yeah, it's gonna give it the garlic really gonna mellow everything out. They're gonna make all the others. If you even don't like avocado, the roasted garlics with the lemon lime, it's gonna give it a different taste. You're gonna make it taste different from the way of eating the avocado. If you're just eating the avocado by itself, yeah, you're gonna have a different taste to it in this.
I like guacamole because it has a a little more flavor to it, So I think this salad is definitely gonna do that for me.
Right, I just think all the ingredients just make a difference. Just make things give it a more vibrant taste, a more mellow taste in your mouth. So it's gonna be definitely mouth watering. Trust me, it's a very lovely looking salad here, guys.
Okay, guys, so we have our salad with tomato and avocado.
Okay, guys, we are here with Aiden, the youngest chef, and he's going to talk about his salad. What he has in there, we got some avocado, we have some cherry tomatoes, we have some grilled corn, we have lettuce, and we have a whole bunch of good dressing like roasted garlics and olive oil and
avocado,
salt and pepper. It's very nice and delicious.
And it's very nice.
Okay,
and delicious
tell your
too.
subscriber thank you for watching.
And thank you for watching BlakeWrTv. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more comics.
Great job. See you next time, guys. On our next video, we're going to keep it delicious and healthy.